First question: which of the following monuments is not located in Delhi? Alai Darwaz, Humayun's Tomb, India Gate, Buland Darwaz. The right answer is option C, India Gate. India Gate is not in Delhi. Alai Darwaza, Humayun's Tomb, Buland Darwaza. These three are in Delhi. In which state the Kundankulam nuclear power station is located? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan. The right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Kundankulam nuclear power station is in Tamil Nadu. What is Ubuntu? Web browser, external hardware, operating system, malware. The right answer is operating system. Ubuntu is a operating system. Who said, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it"? Chandrasekhar Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The right answer is option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." Next question. Mahatma Gandhi started the famous Salt March from Sabarmati to Dandi. In which district of Gujarat is Dandi? Porbandar, Surat, Kutch, Navsari. The right answer is option D, Navsari. Writer related to pen. Tailor related to what? Axe, saw, needle, scalpel. The right answer is option C, needle. Tailor related to needle. Who is the author of Rajatarangini? Chand Bardai, Kalhana, Kalidasa, Jayadeva. The right answer is option B, Kalhana. Kalhana is the author of Rajatarangini. In which of the following continents the Gobi Desert located? Africa, North America, Europe, Asia. The right answer is option D, Asia. Gobi Desert is located in Asia. Which of the following country is not a permanent member of United Nations Security Council? Japan, United Kingdom, China, France. The right answer is option A, Japan. United Kingdom, China, France are a permanent member of United Nations Security Council. Which year did the ISRO launch Mars Orbiter mission? 2013, 2014, 2015, 2012. The right answer is option A, 2013. ISRO launched Mars Orbiter mission in 2013. The term sericulture is related to fish farming, silk farming, bird farming, bee farming. The term sericulture is related to silk farming. Next question. Which of the following states is not a member of Seven Sisters of Northeast India? Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim. The right answer is option D, Sikkim. Sikkim is not a member of Seven Sisters of Northeastern India. Which of the following countries is not a member of BIMSTEC? Maldives, Nepal, Bhutan, India. The right answer is option A, Maldives. Maldives is not a member of BIMSTEC. Where is the Sabarimala temple located? Maharashtra, Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is option B, Kerala. Sabarimala temple is located in Kerala. Who among the following was the youngest president of India? Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Jagir Hussain, Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. The right answer is option D. Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was the youngest president of India. In the domain of computers and internet, what is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator, Unique Revoked Location, Unique Resource Location, Universal Resource Locator. The right answer is option C, Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. Which of the following unit is used for measuring the amount of substance? Lux, Joule, Mole, Tesla. The right answer is option C, Mole. Mole is the unit used to measure the amount of substance. In which year was the Environment Act passed by the Parliament of India? 1901, 1932, 1907, 1986. The right answer is option D, 1986. In 1986, the Environment Act, Protection Act was passed by the Parliament of India. Which of the following disease is caused by a virus? Chickenpox, tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid. The right answer is option A, chickenpox. Chickenpox is caused by a virus. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Paris, Washington DC, New York, The Hague. The right answer is option D, The Hague. It is in Netherlands. Through which of the following medium sound cannot travel? Vacuum, milk, air, steel. The right answer is option A, vacuum. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Yes, it will travel through milk, air, steel. Which of the following two countries of South America are landlocked? Paraguay and Bolivia, Brazil and Venezuela, Chile and Ecuador, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Paraguay and Bolivia. These two countries of South America are landlocked. Which of the following passes connects Srinagar and Leh? Bara La Paz, Natu La Paz, Joji La Paz, Jilip La Paz. The right answer is option C, Joli La Paz. Joji La Paz. Joji La Paz connects Srinagar and Leh. What is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? The right answer is option C, a small deposit scheme for the girl child. Which Sikh Guru established the Khalsa Panth? Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Sri Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji, Sri Guru Nanak Ji, Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. The right answer is option A, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Pattachitra style of painting is one of the oldest and most famous art of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka. The right answer is option C, Odisha. Which part of the computer is called its brain? Monitor, motherboard, mouse, CPU. The right answer is option D, CPU. CPU of the computer is called its brain. Which Indian state has the longest mainland coastline? Kerala, Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat. The right answer is option D, Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest mainland coastline. Where is the Central Potato Research Institute of India located? Ranchi, Shimla, Lucknow, Delhi. The right answer is option B, Shimla. Central Potato Research Institute is located at Shimla. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? Swami Vivekananda, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Atmaram Panduranga. The right answer is option D, Atmaram Panduranga. Atmaram Panduranga was the founder of Prarthana Samaj. Which two banks were merged with the Bank of Baroda with effect from 1st April 2019? The right answer is option B, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. Next question. Which of the following is the list of Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprises? Cochin Shipyard, Bajaj Electronics Limited, Coal India Limited, Central Coalfields Limited. The right answer is option C, Coal India Limited. It is one of the PSU of our Indian government. Which of the following is multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO? Dhanush, Pinaki, Trishul, Prithvi. The right answer is option B, Pinaki. Pinaki is the multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO. Between which two cities of India first semi-high-speed train Vande Bharat Express run? The right answer is option A, New Delhi and Varanasi Junction. Next question. What is the maximum strength of the members of the Lok Sabha? 542, 552, 532, 562. The right answer is option B, 552. 552 is the maximum strength of